Hey, welcome to Coach Digits. If you want to publish profitable books on Amazon KDP, this video will give you a fast, practical blueprint for choosing niches and keywords that actually sell. I'll cover the core strategy, the best free and low cost tools, and what to use for listings versus ads. Let's jump in. Why keywords and niche matter? Keywords are how buyers find your book. Niche is the specific corner of the market you serve. Get both right and you dramatically increase visibility and sales. Think like a customer. Ask, what exact phrase will my buyer type? Are they kids, parents, adults, students, professionals, or a specific hobby group? That answer steers your title, subtitle, and keywords. Don't start with a broad idea like coloring book. Start with a phrase a real buyer would search. Quick example, coloring book is too broad. Narrow to dog coloring book for kids, coloring book for ages 3-5, or sausage dog coloring book. Narrowing reduces competition listings versus ads. Listing keywords, title, subtitle, and 7 backend slots aim to help your book rank organically. For this, choose relevant keywords with decent demand and manageable competition. Ad keywords are for paid ads. Here, the goal is maximum demand. You can compete with anyone because you pay to show up. For ads, prioritize high search volume terms even if competition is high. Knowing the difference changes how you research and which keywords you choose. Tools I recommend and how to use them. Self-Publishing Titans Free Chrome Extension Plus Pro. Great for quick Amazon keyword expansion, search volume estimates, and a demand versus opportunity score. Use it to generate long-tail keyword ideas from a seed phrase and to see estimated monthly searches and competitor count. Helium 10. Powerful, especially when you can use paid features. It gives advanced metrics and many keyword ideas. If you can afford paid tools, Helium 10 is a strong investment. Keywordtool.io. Excellent for long-tail keyword phrases. Great for titles, subtitles, and description phrases. How to use self-publishing Titans. Install the Titans extension. Go to Amazon. Type your seed keyword, for example, dog coloring book, and click the Titans icon. The tool expands related keywords variations like dog coloring book for kids, sausage dog book, dog gifts for kids. Look at 3 key metrics: estimated search volume, demand, search results, competition, and opportunity score, demand versus competition. For listing keywords, pick long tail phrases with decent volume but lower results. For ads, pick the highest volume relevant terms. Practical keyword examples: listing keywords for a dog coloring book for kids, dog coloring books for children, dog coloring book for ages 6-8, dog activity book for kids. These are targeted, relevant, and easier to rank for. Add keywords: dog coloring book, dog gifts for kids, dog books for children. These have higher search volume. Use them in automatic and manual ad campaigns to drive visibility. These examples show how to split long tail, lower competition phrases for listings and high demand phrases for ads. Quick listing checklist before you publish. Title: include the most important long tail phrase naturally. Example: dog coloring book for kids fun activities and cute pop designs for ages 4-8. Subtitle: expand benefit and include a second keyword phrase. Example: easy to color pages, gift for kids, activity book. Backend keyword slots. Use remaining variations and related phrases you found. Use synonyms, plural, singular, age ranges, and related intent phrases. Gifts, activity, stress relief, etc. Do not repeat words inside a slot. Simple ad strategy basics. 1. Start with automatic campaigns to gather search term data. 2. Move converting search terms into manual campaigns and bid more on the best performers. 3. For manual campaigns, include both narrower long-tail keywords and high-demand shorter phrases. 4. Monitor echoes and conversions, scale winners, pause losers. Over time, ads can move a book up organically as sales accumulate. Final quick strategy. Start broad, niche down to a focused audience. Build a cluster of related long-tail keywords around that niche. Publish consistently, run ads to test and scale winners. Don't chase the one perfect keyword. Build a cluster of related keywords around one focused niche. Publish multiple books that capture nearby sub-niches. That's how you dominate a small corner of the market over time. Volume comes from multiple focus listings, not one catch-all title. If you want ready-made keyword lists or niche ideas, DM me on WhatsApp or join the Telegram group. Links are in the description. I sell a complete Amazon KDP course that walks through listing builds, ad setups, and keyword templates. DM me on WhatsApp or join Telegram to get access or to be added to my coaching groups. I'll respond and help you pick and validate your first niche. If this helped, like and subscribe to Coach Digits and leave the niche you are working on in the comments. I'll give quick feedback on a few. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.